2021 Chevy Camaro ZL1. So this is a Gen 6 ZL1 with 650 horsepower. I wish it was a stick shift, but then this is not. This is automatic. I believe it's a 10-speed automatic instead of 8. Used to be 8. The rear seat is a little tiny, but then it's okay. It's got 1,800 miles. It's gray, but then it's matte. And yeah, it is a pure matte. It's not doesn't have PPF or anything. 1,800 miles. And then for the price, I'll let you know if you write a message. Camaro ZL1, 1,800 miles. I went through lots of Corvettes, Camaros, Vipers. I think this is one of the cars that is very appealing. You know, I'm a stick shift guy, so I wouldn't buy the HP automatic. But then, if you're an automatic guy, then this car would be it. Let me know.